I'm going to show you how to install YouTube as an app on Windows 11. So to start, open any browser, for example, Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Now, once you open the browser, go to youtube.com. Now, if you're in the main page, click the three dots at the top right. Scroll down to Cast, Save, and Share. Click on Install YouTube. You can also create shortcut, but we're going to click Install YouTube first. A pop-up will appear, click on Install to confirm, and YouTube will be installed right away to your computer. So you can pin it to your taskbar. So just right-click on it and click Pin to Taskbar. Or you can also go to Start menu, search for YouTube, and open it like a regular app. And that's basically it. Now, another thing you can do is to click the computer icon at the top that says Install YouTube. So click on that and click on Install to confirm. And that's it. It will be installed to your laptop. Next, if you're using Microsoft Edge, the process is still the same. So go to youtube.com. Once you're on the main page, click the three dots at the top right, go to More Tools, look for Apps, and click on Install YouTube. Click on Install to confirm. If you want to allow this app to pin to taskbar, pin to start, create desktop shortcut, auto start on device login, just click on Allow, and not, just click on Don't Allow. And that's basically it. That's how you can install YouTube as an app on Windows 11. Thank you for watching.